The CommServe Disaster Recovery Backup protects the control plane in the event of a disaster. The CommServe database is protected daily to multiple locations, ensuring you can access and recover your control plane backups when needed. To configure CommServe Disaster Recovery Backups, in the Command Center, from the left-hand navigation pane, expand Manage and select System. Then click the Maintenance tile. DR Backup settings can be controlled by clicking the DR Backups tile. This shows the current configuration is retaining 5 DR backups and they are going to a network share. From the More drop-down, you can select to manually run a DR backup, or from the Edit button, you can change the configuration. You can adjust the number of backups to retain. The default recommended value is 5. You can add a new backup location. This can be a local disk or a network share. A network share is recommended. CommServe DR backups are by default automatically uploaded to Commvault cloud storage. This can be enabled or disabled via the toggle switch. You can also select to upload the DR backups to a pre-configured cloud storage target from a different vendor. By default, DR backups are scheduled to run daily at 10. This time can be adjusted to meet your requirements. You can also change the repeat schedule if you require something different to the default 24-hour interval. Hit Save to make any changes. The status of the DR backup configuration can be confirmed using a report. Expand Monitoring from the left-hand navigation pane and select Security IQ. In the Security Posture tile, click View your security posture. In the Security Controls section, you will find a Disaster Recovery Backup item. This is currently highlighted as good. Click to view more details. In the DR Backup report, you can see the full configuration, DR backup location, use of a network share, configured to upload to cloud, and its configuration status is good. The table at the bottom shows details of DR backup jobs that have been run.